All right, hello and welcome back. Brett here with clickmill.co. So in this video, we're going to be going over our variables tag, which tab, which again is just another way to say conditions. It's how we choose what the triggers are going to look for. And so here you'll see built-in variables. These are all of the different conditions. You can only do it if the text is this type of text, or if the page host name is this sort of page, or if the path is this path, they go from the home page to the next page, or if the page URL is exactly this URL, or if this site referred to your site. So you can set up as many as you want, but the ones that we saw over here on the triggers tag, you'll see click text and page host name. Click text here, page host name. So we have enabled both of these, and then we chose both of them to build this trigger. So they've been put together on there. All right, so that's the variables tab. And as you get more and more variables, as you choose to target more custom things, there are a lot of variables you'll see here. Configure, you can see all the ones we don't have selected, and then you can even make custom user defined variables. And here you can make this as detailed and as intricate as you want. And anyway, so this is variables. In the next video, we will be looking through versions. We're not going to get into folders or templates. That's not really anything you're going to need to know on the front end. Pretty much to start a website, to start tracking websites, you really only need these three: tags, triggers, and variables. And then we're going to look at the versions and the admin. This will be a pretty good overview of Google Tag Manager. See you in the next video.